How to turn on or off background sounds on iPhone. To get started, first of all, go ahead and open up the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're here, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Accessibility helps you control your phone more easily and provides equal opportunities for everyone. In the Accessibility menu, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. On the next page, tap on Background Sounds as shown. This feature plays ambient sounds to mask unwanted environmental noise, helping you focus, stay calm, or rest. To activate it, simply tap the toggle switch for background sounds at the top. To disable the feature, simply tap the toggle switch again to turn it off. Following these steps, you can easily turn on or off background sounds on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.